right vehicle? Check out 2017 Traverse. Chevy Traverse is more stylish than minivans and far more fuel and space efficient than truck-based SUVs. Crossovers like the Traverse are excellent family vehicles and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, all-wheel drive, dual airbags, air conditioning, Bluetooth, power steering, backup camera, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, compass. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.